Hello and welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to run Gemma3 model locally. For this we are going to use Ollama. I already have installed the Ollama on my machine. If you haven't installed Ollama on your computer, then go to ollama.com, click on the downloads link, and then you download it for your operating system, either Mac OS, Linux, or Windows. I have already installed. I opened the command terminal and I will type ollama version, and it is showing the ollama version. Now go to ollama.com, click on models, and you will find the Gemma3. Click on Gemma3, click on Gemma3 link, and this Gemma3 link page will appear. Here you will find the information about the Gemma3 model, its feature, and the list of the models which is available. I am going to run 12 billion parameter model. So copy ollama run Gemma 3:12b and run it into the terminal. It is downloading the model. The model size is 8.1 GB and it is going to take around 5 minutes in my machine. Model is downloaded and it is ready to serve. Prompt appears here, and now we can chat with the LLM. So its output is fast, but it is using my 50% of CPU. RAM usage is 17 GB. So it is performing well, although little slow onto the CPU. Okay, let's break down language. Okay, let's break down large language models. They are huge deal in the world of AI right now, and understanding them even at basic level is increasingly important. Here is a comprehensive overview covering what they are, how they work, their capabilities, limitations, and some key examples. So it is writing very well. Now the model is generated output and it is quite good. You can see this is very detailed article. So you can use the Gemma3 model to chat with the LLM. So this is a very good model. In this video, we have learned how to install Gemma3 model on Windows locally. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.